Hi friends, firstly please subscribe our channel for new videos, shorthand training and shorthand dictations on daily basis. Ready, start. Through this constitutional petition, the petitioner called in question the order passed by the learned Judge Family Court on 24 December 2011, whereby, the learned Judge Family Court fixed interim maintenance for the minor, namely, Tahrim in view of the jurisdiction, as was assigned to such court under section 17A of the West Pakistan Family Courts Act, 1964, which is reproduced herein below for ready reference. 17A full stop interim order for maintenance, at any stage of proceedings in a suit for maintenance, the family court may pass an interim order for maintenance, where under the payment shall be made by the 14th of each month, failing which the court may strike off the defense of the defendant and decree the suit full stop. At the time of limine hearing of this petition, it was noted that although this court ordinarily is reluctant in entertaining a petition against an interlocutory order, however, the financial constraints, which were expressed by the learned counsel for the petitioner, who was burdened by the learned Judge Family Court with payment of interim maintenance at the rate of rupees 3000 per month to the minor, which according to the learned counsel for the petitioner, was beyond the financial means of the petitioner, it was considered appropriate to accommodate both the sides, and respondent number 2 be heard, therefore, notice was issued to the said respondent full stop. As expected, the learned counsel for the respondent number 2 vehemently opposed the filing of constitutional petition directly in this court, challenging the interlocutory order, passed by the learned Judge Family Court, and prayed for the dismissal of the constitutional petition, as being not maintainable full stop. I have experienced that in a number of cases, the father, who has been asked to provide interim maintenance to his minor children, challenges the voice of such orders in writ jurisdiction, and normally the constitutional petitions are dismissed for the reason that interlocutory order on each occasion has been considered as not being challengeable full stop. At the same time, I have noticed that the learned judges presiding over the family courts, without taking into consideration some basic factors, which were necessarily to be taken into account, used to pass the interim orders for payment of tentative maintenance to the minors full stop. At times, in case of some probe, it is ultimately proved that the father was heavily burdened beyond his known means full stop. This leads me to go through the earlier view of this court in such like circumstances as reported in Musammat Sitwat Chugatai and other versus Judge, Family Court, Lahore, and another PLD 2009. The relevant extracts from the reported case, which were necessary for the present purposes as under full stop. Purposes behind interim of section 17A in Family Courts Act, 1964 is to ensure that during pendency of proceedings with family court, financial constraints faced by minors are eliminated full stop. Family court should broadly look into social status of parties, entity which obtained any product either for resale or for any commercial purpose, which did not include use by a consumer of products bought and used by him only for the purpose of his livelihood as a self-employed person full stop. Punjab Consumer Protection Act, West Pakistan General Clause 8, Consumer definition of firm as a consumer scope. complaint under bracket appellant who was running a registered firm purchased an electronic bagging plant from the defendant. Said plant was installed by defendant at the premises of the complainant. Full stop.